Well, we haven't left the 2011 Toyota Sienna yet. One of the issues with this is the fan motor. I'm just going to start this up and listen to it for a second. Hopefully you can hear that. It is just shaking to death. Sounds like the bearing's going bad in it. It does that sometimes, but it comes back on. So we're going to replace that fan motor. It's definitely having an issue. Alright, so we're in looking underneath the glove box on the passenger side. This is going to be tough to show, but behind that glove box, you don't have to take it out, is mounted straight up is the blower motor fan. There's 3 bolts that hold it in. One electrical connector that faces down, real easy to get out of here. I'm just going to reach in there. I can't really show it to you, there's no room. I'm going to pull it out there. I'll show you what it looks like once I get it out. So there you have it. There's the fan. That's the bottom of it, so that's facing opposite. Normally it'd be facing up into the dash like that. But one electrical connector, 3 T20 Torx head screws, and drops right down. You don't have to take the glove box, you don't have to do anything. You can get right to it. We're just going to swap the new one in there and see how it sounds. Alright, new fan is in. Turn the fan up. That's all the way up. No noise. Sounds really good. Literally 10 minutes to do this job. 5 to 10 minutes. Real simple to get to. Just make sure it's your fan that's bad and not something else. You don't want to spend $150 or $170 on a fan. Find out that's not it. But in this case, it's exactly what it was. Pretty easy, actually, to tell that's what it was. Well, that's it for changing the blower motor in this 2011 Honda. What is that? 2011. My wife's sitting there cracking up behind me. I might just leave this in. I don't know. She's just dying. She comes out and just laughs at me, which is always, it's great. 2011 Toyota Sienna. You could hear the noise it was making. It was definitely bad. Really, literally take 5 to 10 minutes to do this job. 3 bolts, T20 Torx head. 1 electrical connector. You don't have to remove the glove box. You can get right to it. You could hear the difference I showed earlier. And real simple. Buy OEM for this. I've tried the aftermarket blower motors for this vehicle. I don't like them. They're noisier than the OEM, and they don't move as much air. That's what I've found, at least. It's not a cheap motor for this, but I think it's well worth it for the OEM for this one. If you have this problem with your Toyota Sienna, I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.